Are you on the hunt for the perfect running shoes that combine cutting-edge technology, superior comfort, and durability? Whether you're hitting the trails, pounding the pavement, or chasing a new personal best, having the right pair of shoes can make all the difference. Hoka has become synonymous with innovation in running footwear, offering a wide range of options for every type of runner. But with so many choices, how do you decide which one is right for you? Today, I'll break down the top 8 Hoka running shoes for men and women. I'll explore their features, performance, and even some drawbacks to help you make an informed decision. Let's dive in. 8. Hoka Mafate Speed 4. The Hoka Mafate Speed 4 is a trail runner's workhorse, built to conquer rugged terrains with ease. It features a Profli Plus midsole that provides a soft landing and responsive toe-off, making it ideal for technical trails. The Vibram Mega Grip outsole with light-based construction offers exceptional traction on wet and rocky surfaces, ensuring you stay stable no matter how challenging the terrain gets. The jacquard mesh upper is both breathable and durable, designed to keep your feet cool while protecting them from debris. However, during testing, I noticed that the upper material felt slightly abrasive around the pinky toes during initial runs. This caused some discomfort until the shoes were broken in, a potential drawback if you're looking for something that feels perfect right out of the box. Additionally, while the roomy toe box is great for those with wider feet or who prefer extra space during long runs, it might feel too loose for runners who like a snug fit. Despite these minor issues, the Mafate Speed 4 shines in its ability to handle steep inclines and descents with confidence. This shoe is best suited for experienced trail runners who need durability and grip over long distances. While it may not be perfect for everyone due to its break-in period and slightly bulky feel on smoother trails, it's a reliable companion for tackling extreme conditions. Number 7. Hoka Tecton X3. The Hoka Tecton X3 is a trail shoe that redefines speed and performance on technical terrain. Designed with input from elite ultrarunner Jim Walmsley, this shoe is built for long-distance trail racing and delivers an exhilarating mix of responsiveness, comfort, and durability. At the heart of its design are dual carbon fiber plates embedded in a Profli X midsole, which combines a softer foam on top for cushioning with a firmer layer beneath for resilience. This dual-layer setup ensures a propulsive toe-off while maintaining excellent trail feel. The winglet structure of the plates also adds lateral stability, making sharp turns feel controlled and confident. During testing, the Tecton X3 impressed with its ability to handle varied terrains, from smooth forest paths to rocky mountain trails. The Vibram Mega Grip outsole provided exceptional traction, even on wet surfaces, while the built-in gaiter kept debris out effectively. However, runners should note that the high stack height, 40 mm in the heel, can feel slightly unstable on uneven terrain, especially for those less experienced with maximalist shoes. Additionally, the $275 price tag makes it one of the most expensive trail shoes on the market, which might deter casual runners. Despite these minor drawbacks, the Tecton X3 stands out as a high-performance option for serious trail enthusiasts. Its lightweight design, 10.8 ounce, and responsive ride make it ideal for racing or pushing personal limits on technical trails. 6. Hoka Speedgoat 6. The Hoka Speedgoat 6 continues the legacy of one of Hoka's most beloved trail shoes, offering enhanced stability and comfort for mixed terrain running. This version introduces a lighter upper made from woven textile material, improving breathability without sacrificing durability. The midsole retains its plush cushioning, but now incorporates updated materials that provide better energy return while maintaining the same weight as its predecessor. The Vibram Mega Grip outsole with 5 mm lugs ensures outstanding grip on slippery or uneven surfaces. After logging over 200 miles in the Speedgoat 6, I found it to be incredibly versatile and reliable across various conditions. Its wide forefoot base and stiffer heel counter significantly improve stability on technical trails, giving runners confidence during descents or lateral movements. However, this increased rigidity can feel less forgiving over ultra-long distances where flexibility might be more desirable. Additionally, While it excels at half-marathon or marathon distances on trails, my feet felt slightly fatigued during runs exceeding 13 miles due to its firm midsole. The Speedgoat 6 shines in shorter distances and moderate terrains where its lightweight nature, 9.8 ounce, and responsive cushioning provide a lively ride. The redesigned tongue adds extra padding for improved comfort, though some runners may find it overly thick depending on their lacing preferences. 5. Hoka Mach X2. The Hoka Mach X2 is a versatile super trainer that bridges the gap between daily training shoes and race day performance footwear. Its standout feature is the PEBA foam midsole wrapped in an EVA chassis, delivering a soft yet bouncy ride with excellent energy return. Sandwiched between these layers is a Pebax Arnu plate that enhances propulsion without making transitions feel overly stiff. With a stack height of 46 mm in the heel and 41 mm in the forefoot, this shoe provides ample cushioning while maintaining responsiveness. During testing, I was impressed by how effortlessly the Mach X2 handled different types of runs, from easy recovery jogs to tempo intervals and even long-distance efforts. The early-stage meta-rocker geometry promotes smooth transitions and encourages an efficient stride at any pace. However, some runners may experience heel rubbing due to minimal collar padding, a common issue during initial runs until the shoe breaks in fully. Another consideration is outsole durability. While zonal rubber placement reduces weight and provides decent traction on roads, heavy use may wear down certain areas faster than expected. Despite these minor flaws, the Mach X2 excels in versatility and performance. It's an excellent option for runners who want one shoe capable of handling both training and racing needs. Number 4. Hoka Skyward X. The Hoka Skyward X is a maximalist daily trainer designed for runners who prioritize comfort during long or recovery runs. With an impressive stack height of 48 mm in the heel, 46 mm for women, this shoe offers unparalleled cushioning through its 3-layer midsole construction, PEBA foam for bounce and softness, a convex carbon fiber plate for stability and propulsion, and an EVA frame for added support. This combination ensures a plush yet responsive ride that feels effortless even during high-mileage training sessions. One of the standout features of the Skyward X is its ability to stabilize your gait cycle despite its towering stack height, a quality not often found in maximalist shoes. The rocker geometry encourages smooth transitions from heel to toe, making it easier to maintain proper running form over long distances. However, its weight, 11 ounce, can make it feel clunky during faster-paced efforts or speedwork sessions. The upper is crafted from breathable, engineered mesh that provides a snug yet comfortable fit without causing hot spots or overheating issues, though some runners may find the tapered toe box slightly restrictive, depending on their foot shape. Additionally, while the exposed cushion on the outsole saves weight and enhances ground contact feel, it's prone to picking up debris, like small rocks, during runs. Despite these minor drawbacks, the Skyward X is an excellent choice for high-mileage runners seeking maximum protection for their legs and joints without sacrificing performance entirely. 3. Hoka Arahi 7. The Hoka Arahi 7 is a standout stability shoe designed to cater to runners who need moderate support without sacrificing comfort or versatility. This latest iteration of the Arahi series features Hoka's signature J-frame technology, a firmer foam segment that wraps around the medial side and heel to provide guidance for overpronators. The shoe also boasts a wide base and high midsole sidewalls, which enhance its inherent stability while maintaining a lightweight feel at just 9.6 ounce for men and 8.3 ounce for women. One of the most notable updates in the Arahi 7 is its flat-knit upper, which delivers a snug, supportive fit. While this new upper feels premium and provides excellent lockdown, it may feel too narrow for runners with wider feet. The toe box is slightly tapered, which could be uncomfortable for those who prefer more room in the forefoot. However, for runners with narrow or medium-width feet, the fit is secure and eliminates unnecessary movement during runs. The Achilles tab is swallow-tailed, reducing pressure on the Achilles tendon and adding to the overall comfort. On the road, the Arahi 7 offers a smooth ride thanks to its rockered geometry, which helps roll you through your stride efficiently. While the cushioning isn't as plush as some of Hoka's other models, it dampens impact effectively without feeling mushy or sluggish. 2. Hoka Rocket X2. The Hoka Rocket X2 represents Hoka's first true entry into the super shoe category, designed specifically for marathon racing and speed-focused efforts. This shoe features a dual-layer PEBA midsole that provides an incredibly soft yet energetic ride. Combined with an aggressive S-shaped carbon plate embedded in the midsole, the Rocket X2 delivers explosive propulsion that feels like running on springs. The fit of the Rocket X2 is snug and performance-oriented, with a low-volume forefoot and a thin, gusseted tongue that locks your foot securely in place. However, runners with wider feet may find the narrow toe box uncomfortable unless they size up. Additionally, while the upper material stretches slightly after a few runs, it remains tight across the toes, a design choice that prioritizes speed over comfort. On the run, this shoe truly shines at marathon pace or faster efforts. The ProFly X foam offers excellent energy return while maintaining stability through Hoka's bucket seat design, which cradles your foot within the midsole rather than perching it on top. This creates a stable platform that feels more controlled than other super shoes like Nike's Vaporfly Next Percent or Adidas Adios Pro Series. However, this stability comes at a cost. The Rocket X2 feels slightly firmer in the forefoot compared to its competitors. Number 1. Hoka Anacapa 2 GTX. At the top of our list is the Hoka Anacapa 2 GTX, a versatile hiking-inspired running shoe that excels in durability, comfort, and weather protection. Designed with Gore-Tex Invisible Fit technology and waterproof nubuck leather panels, this shoe keeps your feet dry in wet conditions while offering ample cushioning through its oversized midsole. The Anacapa 2 GTX features one of Hoka's widest platforms at 117.5 mm in the forefoot and 91.4 mm in the heel, providing exceptional stability on uneven terrain or light trails. This wide base makes it ideal for hikers or runners carrying heavier loads or tackling moderate trails where balance is crucial. However, its bulkier design, weighing nearly 2 pounds per pair, may feel cumbersome during faster-paced runs or technical climbs. Comfort is where this shoe truly shines. The plush foam midsole absorbs impact beautifully while maintaining enough flexibility to adapt to rocks and uneven surfaces during hikes or trail runs. Its rocker geometry promotes a natural gait cycle that feels effortless even during long distances. That said, breathability is limited due to its waterproof construction, a trade-off common among Gore-Tex shoes. Traction-wise, the Vibram Mega Grip outsole performs admirably on dry surfaces like dirt trails or packed gravel, but struggles slightly on wet rocks or muddy terrain due to shallower lug depth compared to dedicated trail shoes like the Speedgoat series. Conclusion? There you have it, the top 8 Hoka running shoes ranked. From rugged trail conquerors like the Mafate Speed 4 to marathon-ready racers like the Rocket X2, and versatile champions like the Anacapa 2 GTX, Hoka truly has something for everyone. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more gear reviews tailored just for you. Happy running!